Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Klaviyo campaign revenue reports, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Klaviyo account and navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Analytics tab in the left-hand menu. Click on Campaigns from the drop-down options. Find the specific campaign for which you want to withdraw revenue reports. Click on the campaign name to open its detailed report. Scroll down to the revenue section within the campaign report. Here, you will see a summary of the revenue generated by this campaign. To export the revenue data, look for the Export button, usually located at the top right of the section. Click on the Export button. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to choose the format for your report. Select your preferred format, typically CSV or Excel. Confirm your selection by clicking on the Export button in the pop-up. Wait a moment for the export process to complete. Once finished, a download link will be provided. Click on the link to download the revenue report to your device. Open the downloaded file to review the campaign revenue data. You now have the revenue report extracted from Klaviyo Campaign Analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.